Yo, that cop just pulled a gun, bro.
You pulled out the gun, nigga. We out here having fun. Pulling our guns. That don't make sense, nigga. You never pull out no gun between us, dog. We got kids out here.
What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of I Have No Idea What's Going On With My Life. I'm your host, Damdaved, and we got some work to do, baby. Roll that intro.
They call me yellow cause the paint is banana, the clip is banana, I'm going bananas. Look, boy, you a bitch. Get your funds together. Look at them. Didn't fuck with us when we was down. Now we coming up together. You can stay in the back cause all up on track, we running it up together. You said we would flop, now the gang at the top, and we don't give a fuck together.
Today's a different type of video, kind of like a vlog style. We got some fun stuff to do though. I am going to, for the first time in a long time, remote start this car, but it still has the check engine light. So as soon as I start it, we're not going to be able to enjoy it. I'm going to go run and jump in the seat. Hello? Here we go. So we don't exactly get to savor the start, but it's whatever. I will see you guys in a minute. This shit is gonna be fun. Let's get it, baby. Same shit, different day. I know it's confusing. You know, you just saw that intro, but I haven't slept in 48 hours. I'm wearing the same thing. Well, I've changed in between, but the plans got canceled on Thursday, so we're trying again. Today is Friday evening after I got off work, and things are supposed to go through now. This is the literal definition of the I have no idea what's going on with my life aspect of my intro, is because today I don't even know what we're going to get into. I know there's a car meet tonight. I know there's some other shit. I got to go record a song for Traction. By the way, if you guys haven't gone to subscribe to Official Traction yet to be entered in a giveaway, the first one we're going to be doing a lot of them. Be sure to go down there. It's going to be at the very top of my description, the new link to go subscribe to Traction. I apologize for my lack of energy. Today's going to be a very dry, humorless video. But, you know, I got to keep the content rolling for you guys, and the grind never stops. I know it's probably a good idea to sleep. Please don't try what you see on this channel at home. I do this for you guys' entertainment, and I hope you're enjoying all the content on the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching. My last video is doing pretty good right now, and you guys are the shit. So thank you for all the support, and I will see you when we get to where the fuck we're going.
Ain't no sound on it. Turn fade to a frown on it.
So I just arrived at my boy Texas' house. We're over here. We're about to head to a recording studio real quick, and we're gonna be recording a song for Traction, and this shit's gonna be fun. What do you think, bro? You think it's gonna turn out good?
Hey, bro, wake up, bro.
Bro,
wake up, grown folk. Grown folk business right here.
long process. I didn't want to record a lot in the recording studio because I didn't want to get demonetized, and we still have to purchase a beat. But I'm gonna give you a, I guess like a little sneak peek. Hang on.
Yeah, they know that we got that action. Always got these sounding like aliens. Traction, yo, traction, hey, traction, hey, yeah. Started at 8, now we swinging and slamming. Got hobby, this the lifestyle of passion. Whipping, always getting dizzy, my crash, it hella hoe shaking.
So anyway. It's not mixed or nothing like that, but we just recorded it. We're going to be dropping some fire-ass content on the Traction channel. I know the beginning of this video has been a lot about Traction, but that is because I cannot stress to you guys enough how badass this channel is going to be. I'm kind of woken up now, and we're going to a meet. I'm going to a separate meet. I think I'm going to be meeting up with a couple other different people, but I will see you guys once we get to the meet. But thank you guys for bearing through the beginning of this video, but trust me, it's going to make sense a lot later. What's up, baby? How you doing?
What's going on, boss? How are you?
How y'all doing?
How are you?
What's up, bro?
I've been here, bro. Whole bunch of shenanigans going on, you know?
Yeah, man, I know.
Time to go home, man.
I'm telling you.
You know?
I wish I could describe to you guys how bad I feel right now. I don't know why I decided to do this, but I've been up for like since 6 a.m. yesterday morning, and now it's 10:30 at night. Yeah, don't do that, guys. Don't ever do it, because I'm not feeling too good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So I'm trying to cover what I can of this meat. Anyway, back to the meat. Mr. Mob Genius.
Damn, David. Damn, David.
What's up, homie? What are you doing?
Nothing, man. Just sitting here at this wild ass meet, man. I guess the police are blocking everybody in and trying to run everybody out, man. What a way to end the video. You out of here?
Nah, man. I'm trying to park up over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Boom. Yeah, my boy Drew. What's up, homie?
Hey. What's up? What's up?
What's up, bro?
That sounds nice, but you got a chat the cam?
Appreciate you. Yeah, man. Yeah.
That sounds real clean, bro.
You was burning rubber right there. I didn't burn no rubber. Who was burning rubber? One of the other niggas? So we're over here trying to relax and have a good time, and we notice a nice faint smell of rubber in the air, and we see that some crazy shit that's going on. So, hey, chill, man. What the fuck? You see what I'm saying, guys?
What's going on, man?
How you doing, man?
Good, bro.
How you doing, bro?
Doing good, man.
Chilling, bro.
Oh yeah, getting that content just like you, man.
You know, man. What's your channel, bro?
Troy Young Wavy, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna send it to you.
All right.
Whip it.
It's over there, bro.
I'm gonna get some content on it, man. And
Okay.
I'm gonna tag you on the IG.
Man, y'all go give that guy a subscribe, man. Excited about that.
I was too.
Damn, that's tragic. That dude is way too heavy to be going that fast through this parking lot. Yo, he almost hit that guy. What the hell, bro? Yo. That guy's gonna smack into somebody, bro. Oh, shit. Yo, that cop just pulled a gun, bro.
Why you gonna pull out a gun, my nigga? Hey, serious question. What's the actual fuck the fuck you said? Hey, you got a big ass. Hey, let's go, bro. Fuck, I'm not doing that. Back up. No. I got it. Back up. Nigga pulled out a gun on us. You a real cop. Yes, he pulled at me. I'm a street nigga. All right?
Yeah, you always pulled out a gun.
What the hell, bro?
I didn't even realize.
What is that? Oh my god.
Damn.
What the hell?
Damn. Hey, you shouldn't have put out a gun though. That's something that happened though. Put out a gun, you up? Like damn, hey, that's
man, forget, man.
you pulled the gun out.
No problem, man.
That's fucked up. That's fucked up.
No problem, man. Yo es mi trabajo, man. No eso, no,
Why
man.
pull the gun?
No, man.
Why did you pull the gun?
No, man.
Oh, y'all security for you? You're not even security for you, right? No. Are you security for you?
Yeah, security, man.
For here?
Aquí, man, security.
Why your gun not in your holster then?
Security, man, mira, security.
Why is not in your holster, your
No,
gun?
there,
Your
no,
pistola?
no, pistola, yo no.
Hey, low-key, that is fucked up, though. That's fucked up.
Yeah, they should. Yeah, he shouldn't have got his car destroyed. But
Yeah.
I saw him pull out the gun, but everybody
He shouldn't
ran.
have pulled out a gun, though.
Yeah.
He provoked it.
That's what makes them mad, the
Provoked the
gun.
situation more, though.
Yeah, bro. What the hell?
Look at that.
They messed that up.
Yeah, they busted their car up, man.
He just dipped.
Yeah, he should have left, man.
He just left.
Oh my god. Guys, just so you guys know, this is purely for documentational purposes. I do not condone any of this activity right here. I'm just simply recording it because, you know, I mean, it's all on camera.
Fuck you, bitch! Fuck you! Fuck
I'm in public. I'm in a public place. I can record you. Thank you. It's for my safety and for yours. Can you please back away from me? Thank you.
No, pues yo mandé a buscar la policía. Es que mi trabajo lo que es aquí, ¿me entendiste?
Guys, I'm not going to take sides, but this is just to show what's going on. Oh my God. Guys, I think I'm going to get out of here. Too much is going on. Alright, y'all. I'm out of here.
There's still people burning out. I am leaving right now. I've had enough. I'm tired. I'm ready to go home. This is ridiculous. Bro,
Oh, wow.
it's insane. But anyway, guys. You know what?
Lacy on Instagram, BIGLAC, what.
Alright, bro. You have a good night, bro. Yeah, man, so I've had enough. I don't want to see anymore. I'm gonna get out of here, guys, because there's nothing good going on here. It's not fun content anymore, and people are getting their property damaged, and people are getting injured, and people getting guns pulled out on them. So you know, I'm not gonna take sides. It's all shit. It should have been handled way better than that. That should have never happened. So anyway, that's just what I gotta say about it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support. And sorry for the lackluster video because I'm so tired. If you guys liked the video, actually, we're not doing that anytime, okay? We're not doing that this time. We're not doing the like and subscribe and all that. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Y'all stay safe and take care. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. We're gonna end this video on a positive note. Ooh.